Are you looking for a way to turn your passion into a profit? If so, you may want to consider starting a YouTube channel. With over 2 billion monthly active users, YouTube has become one of the most popular platforms for content creators to showcase their skills and make money. However, with so many niches available on YouTube, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. That's why we've compiled a list of the top 7 YouTube niches to earn money in 2023. From beauty and fashion to gaming and finance, there's a niche for every interest. So buckle up and get ready to learn how you can turn your hobby into a lucrative business on YouTube. What is a YouTube niche? When you concentrate on a smaller segment of a bigger market, you are creating a YouTube niche. For example, if you were to start a YouTube channel about gaming, focusing on a certain game like Minecraft would be a fantastic niche concept. You can locate markets with fewer competitors by focusing your search. Also, when you select a niche, your audience will be smaller but far more engaged with your material, inclined to share it and return for more. A specialized YouTube channel is a terrific idea because of this. How to find profitable YouTube niches. You should perform the following actions if you want to locate the greatest YouTube niches. Investigate the specialized market. Finding chances and perhaps growing markets will be made easier with this. You must first confirm that the market you wish to reach is utilizing this platform. Analyze market trends. You may use trends to determine what subjects individuals are interested in over time. Analyze your niche's rivals. You can determine which areas are profitable and which are not by looking at your competitors. You should stay away from some niches since they can have a lot in competition. Choose the appropriate audience. The average age of YouTube viewership is between 18 and 49. This indicates that this is probably not your platform if you want to market to an older demographic. It's important to choose a YouTube niche that will inspire you to produce high-quality material every day. You should be consistent if you want to boost your chances of success, because the most popular YouTube channels typically produce numerous videos every week. Here are some YouTube niche ideas. Number 7. Health. Because it covers a wide range of themes related to both physical and mental well-being, the health niche is one of the most well-liked ones on YouTube. Among the niche's most profitable sub-niches are taking care of nature, getting in shape, and reducing weight, and home remedies. You may utilize channels like Body Hub as examples if you intend to start a YouTube channel dedicated to building muscle. Body Hub provides exercise plans and dietary advice to assist people in gaining muscle mass. Losing weight is a health-related sub-niche with considerable revenue potential. Another well-liked sub-niche in the health sector is natural healthcare or home remedies. Natural cures for common diseases are offered on channels like Natural Cures, which have a 15 CPM. Number 6. Education. Education is an important aspect of life that is crucial for personal and societal growth. YouTube has become a valuable resource for people seeking education, with many creators producing informative and engaging content on various subjects. Educational channels on YouTube have been on the rise in recent years, and with good reason. One of the benefits of educational channels on YouTube is accessibility. YouTube is a free platform that is accessible to anyone with an internet connection. This means that people from all over the world can access educational content without having to pay for it. This is especially important for those who live in areas with limited access to education. Educational channels on YouTube also provide a unique learning experience. Unlike traditional methods of learning, educational videos on YouTube are often presented entertainingly and engagingly. Creators use visuals, animations, and storytelling to make their content more engaging and memorable. Number 5. DIY and home improvement. DIY and home improvement is a popular niche on YouTube that offers a wide range of content for viewers interested in home decor, design, and renovation. From woodworking and furniture building to interior decorating and home repair, DIY and home improvement channels have become a great source of inspiration and guidance for those looking to spruce up their living spaces. One of the great things about DIY and home improvement channels is that they cater to a variety of skill levels, from beginner to advanced. For those just starting, there are plenty of videos that offer simple and easy to follow tutorials for basic home repairs and improvements. As viewers become more experienced, they can find more complex projects that require more advanced skills. Another benefit of DIY and home improvement channels is that they often offer a sense of community for viewers who share a common interest. Many channels encourage viewers to share their projects and ideas, which can lead to a sense of camaraderie among DIY enthusiasts. Number 4. Finance. Since marketers spend a lot of money to post advertising on your films, the financial sector is one of the most profitable on YouTube. If you are unfamiliar with any programs in the financial area, just enter finance affiliate programs into the search bar on Google to uncover affiliate networks you can join and start making money from, in addition to Google AdSense. Also, a lot of financial institutions provide lucrative affiliate programs for leads, new clients, and sales. Hence, if you're interested in finance or have financial experience, this might be a perfect channel concept for you. Number 3. Cryptocurrency. With a high CPM for a while to come, cryptocurrency is unquestionably a popular topic to base a YouTube channel around. There is undoubtedly a lot of interest in it, and companies will pay a lot of money to have their commercials appear in these movies. And as you can see, they're monetizing in several ways, in addition to earning money through the Google AdSense program. One of them is merchandise utilizing Redbubble's print-on-demand service, which is free to set up. There are undoubtedly many ways to profit from this market. If you participate in a cryptocurrency affiliate network, for instance, you may earn money by including your link in the description of your films. Number 2. Fitness fashion. Fitness and fashion are two of the most popular online topics. Because of this, combining them both is a guaranteed thing that is gaining popularity. Although this term's popularity is increasing slowly, it has already begun to do so more quickly on other social media sites such as Instagram. Also, as marketers place greater emphasis on fitness fashion, this will soon be a lucrative YouTube niche. Although the volume may not be particularly great just now, it is sufficient to launch a successful YouTube channel on an engaging subject with little immediate competition. Workout routines with various costumes based on the activity, setting, gym outfit, etc. might be some fitness fashion ideas for your channel. Number 1. Gaming. The gaming niche on YouTube would be expanding rapidly. With 6.2 million videos and 1 million channels, the gaming category on YouTube is quite competitive. Hence, before selecting this niche, you might wish to consider your strategy. There is fierce competition. With so many fresh and intriguing games, many YouTubers are still making channels where they discuss gaming, broadcast, and give advice. Some of the most well-liked YouTube channels about gaming are devoted to a certain game. This is a terrific approach to remove thousands of competitors while narrowing down the gaming market. For instance, you may start a Valheim-specific YouTube channel. If your material is compelling enough, Valheim subscribers will be encouraged to follow you. You might provide all types of advice and experiences on this channel. The simplest path to success in this market is to pick a game that is moderately popular but not the most well-liked. Also, if it is somewhat fresh, you will just have a new competency rather than an established one, which is more difficult to overcome. Don't forget to focus on just one game while producing lots of excellent material related to it. Your chances of developing a successful YouTube account will rise as a result. For instance, given that there is no competition, starting a niche channel regarding Valheim mods would be probably successful. Finding games with comparable numbers is all you need to do to improve your chances of winning. And that concludes our video on the top 7 YouTube niches to earn money in 2023. We hope you found this information helpful and are now inspired to start your own successful YouTube channel. Remember, building a following takes time, effort, and dedication. But with the right niche and content strategy, you can turn your passion into a profitable career. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit that subscribe button for more valuable content like this.